the transfer function, which is something of this form here. You will calculate K1, K2, K3 values, and once you do that, you can obviously draw a body plot for this, if the input is harmonic. Right? We've done this for multiple problems. Here is where I tell you, be careful when you calculate the coefficients. If you calculate them wrongly, you may end up getting an underdamped system instead of an overdamped system, or vice versa. Okay, so that's where the mistakes will be taking place, but I will ensure that it's more or less clean, okay, because you have very limited time. It's 2 hours, 1 hour and 45 minutes officially, 2 hours and 15 minutes unofficially, because I'm starting the exam 15 minutes early, I'm ending the exam 15 minutes late. Okay? So that being said, I will also try to hold a review session. I will send the date out, probably going to be early next week. It will be recorded on Carmen. I will have a practice exam set up as my last duty, and it has been a great pleasure.